Ring, 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 ring. Oh, who is that? That? Ooh, it's Dylan. But do not answer that phone. No way, that's Dylan. He wants to do something. While she did that, he really wants to plan to do this, but he doesn't know that we are going yet. So, but also look at the pictures of our wedding party. It looks like chaotic. And see, look at me. He made my hair like a short little boy hair, and it doesn't look that good at all. What? I can't believe Julie missed my call. I can't believe Julie missed my call, but sorry that Dylan cleared his throat. And she almost like missed 27 in a row of her calls. And that's not really good. And we need someone to plan where they are gonna plan their business trip. Ring, ring. Hello, I'm Christina. How could I may help you? I need you to plan for their business trip, and it needs to be really planned. I don't know what's that. It needs to be planned like they're going to the trip to Bahamas, but they need to take something. Like we need to go there as soon as we can. That's nonsense. Blah, 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 blah. I don't know what we're talking about, but I'm pretty sure I can still plan that for you. So thanks for the help. We will pretty sure as our way. Isn't it nice to be relaxing here in this place on the plane? Yeah, it's our first time on the plane, but I'm sorry it's without our sisters, but we're gonna be ready aboard. Are you guys ready to aboard? Yep, we're ready. Da 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 da. Oh, look behind you, Julie. It's Dylan sneaking. Yep, it's me. But it's without but I can't believe it's without with them. But I still like it though. So Catherine Johnson's babysitting them. Yeah, we know. Okay, so look like we're flying almost like to Bahamas. A few hours later. All right, welcome here. I am Dylan Thompson, and this is the city where I got this from. So welcome to Percy Beanie Bubs. What? I can't understand what's that Percy Beanie Bubs. Yeah, we can't understand that. But wait a minute, he's holding our name, that's what I know. Yep, I know that, Julie. But anyways, that's his, but he needs to, I'm pretty sure he will be a good planner for this, but I don't want to be chaotic like the last time. So anyways, our name is Dylan, yeah, and don't worry, I will help you find your luggage. Then we'll get to the taxi car and we'll take you to the resort hotel. Are you pretty sure you brought what number are we gonna be? Yep, I'm gonna be there. Alright, so Maria, Nestor, Maria, Nestor, bruh. This is way taking so long. Ooh, Macy. How about I should change the name into Percy from Macy? If that's a good idea. Alright, when they get to the hotel. Alright, we're here to your hotel. So, Alright, this is the hotel. So, we're here at your hotel. So, wait a minute. I thought it wanted to be like an all-star popular hotel. This is like a Japanese hotel in the Bahamas. Yeah, I know. It's so different, Julie. But anyway, we found already, they already found your number where you should go. So you better be good, and then I'll meet you there So I'll see you guys later. So I need you, alright. Alright, Jason, we're gonna change our clothes. Meanwhile, when Julie changed her clothes, Miss, I'm Julie. Yes, and what happened to you? You look like a girl. And then why did Dylan bring this to us? Dylan, I'm pretty sure why did he bring it to us? This belongs to the Macy family. To some of the families we might not know, but I'm pretty sure these don't belong to me. Okay, we'll figure this out. If there are gonna be some swim trunks for you, we can find. Swim trunks. Alright guys, now my name is Dylan Fresco. For now, I'm gonna be taking you around this cruise ship. This yacht, I mean. So, I want you all to follow me. So, I need you all aboard to get tickets. Like at least one ticket. So, okay, we'll give you 2 tickets. They're inside. They're in my phone, and I'll scan the ticket for you. Alright, thank you. Then I'll sail you all aboard. Alright. Whoa! This is like a really comfy place. Yeah, this is really comfy, and they can listen to different types of music like Celine Dion's My Heart Will Go On music. This is like a cool song to listen. But what? I can't understand that what it's saying. He was picky when in the chaotic of our party. Yeah, I know. And I need to keep the boat on control until this sinks. So, or else this will sink. Or this is nonsense. I was only kidding if there would be other songs, if instead of beach songs. And meanwhile, when they dive to the pool, all right, is everyone is both of these comfortable loved ones enjoying this beach? Guys, where are you? Where have you been gone for? And I can't find where have you been. It's gone all of a sudden. Man, I'm gonna need to do something with that Dylan Fresco. He is way too selective for finding dresses in our party the previous months. Yep, we know about that, but you can do it later because we're catching some birds underwater. Yeah, thanks, Julie. We can do that. We could do that later. A few hours later. All right, we've arrived at the beach. The Bahamas beach. We arrived at Bahamas Beach today. Man, felt so tired. Yeah. Meanwhile, how about I'll just go to and swim here and look after and check on the fishes and seals, if that's a good idea. If that's a good idea. Ooh, hey, would you like some baby oil sunscreen, Miss Pussy Julie? Oh, yes, please. I would like some. Alright, let's put some sunscreen all over your eyes and nose and your arms and your legs. The sun is Alright, well done. These fishies look so cool to look at. Yeah, they're so cool to look. And alright, Julie, I'm back. And what happened? Why is your face and your skin turning red? What are you talking about? I can't, it's a nonsense again. What do you mean? I don't see and... my face, my thing's turning like tannish. Are you sure you're okay? Yeah, Dylan, it was like you picky and you put too much sunscreen before I was swimming in the pool. It's okay, your skin will become drier. Yep, I'm pretty sure it'll become drier soon. Alright, meanwhile, after they had to change, when they had to go down, welcome back, guys. I'm here to sell some shops there. And Dylan, is that you? The one where you planned for our party? Yup, hurry, before he does it. Dylan, what did you do? You just had you became selective. Then you put sunscreen that made my skin tan. Yeah, but it tried to put sunscreen before you swim, and then we had something, and it made our party like a little chaotic. And next time I won't want to see you. And that's enough now. Oh, wouldn't you hit like a cool rap star glasses? No.